There's so many different types of climbing. Sport climbing, bouldering, trad climbing, deep-water soloing, speed climbing, big wall climbing, ice climbing.
Hello, good night, good night, good night. How are you? Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? Okay, cool kid. Good night to you. What's up? What's up, cool kid? Welcome to you all. Welcome, welcome, welcome to you, my people. How you doing? Good night, good night, good night. It's my birthday. You know that, my people. Yeah. So you don't know. It's also birthday night, a little celebration. You copy? Yeah. So I don't know. Now here to the say, boy, if you wish me my best for my 60th, you copy? Yeah, that is it. Hi, good night, Nicole. Nicole, I am 60. I am 60, Nicole. Big up on yourself, my people. You don't know. Where are you watching from? Can you please just let me know where you're watching from? Let us have a conversation. Come on, my people. Let us have a conversation. Conversation, conversation. Yeah, they call it conversation. Yeah. Conversation. Like up the video for me, please, and thanks. If you haven't subscribed, just please, let's go over and subscribe too. All right, and let us keep it going, my people. Where you watching the video from? Let me know, my people. Let me know. Where are you watching this from? I would say, good night to you, my people. Good morning to you, my people. Good afternoon to you, my people, also. Bam, 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 Nico. Big up yourself. You copy, that is it. You see? One big Nicole, you copy, cha-cha. Nothing more than that. You're just big and bold. You copy? Yeah, man. Straight Nicole, big and bold. No fun about that. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, you see it? Yeah, man. You walk on. Everything is alright. I don't want to see the one say, boy, happy birthday to you, father. You see? No, everybody say happy birthday. And nobody say, boy, I give a like for that video, yeah? See me? Yeah, man, you got your me people, Jaja know. Yeah, man. That is it. I don't know where you're watching the video from, my people. Where are you watching this from? Where are you from? Okay? Yeah, let's have a conversation. You can hear me say, Jaja know. So many things that happen in the world, we can talk about it. Yeah? So many things happening in the world, we can talk about it. We can talk about Texas, we can talk about in Turkey, we can talk about in Israel, we can talk about Gaza, we can talk about down in Iran, we can talk about even in the US, we can talk about even over Russia, we can talk about, you understand me? Let us talk. Yeah, man. Enough love and respect to each and every one. You copy, your people? Yeah. Remember if you like up your life for me, please and thanks. Phone don't look clean at all. I wonder if my camera out, dirty. Good night to you, good night to you. How you doing? How are you? Welcome to my live, welcome to my live. How you doing, my people? Where you watching from? Bless up to you, my people. You don't know, subscribe and like. You copy, keep it rolling. Who grandpa is this? You don't know, just unusual grandpa. You don't know, you copy. You see me a deal. You know my grandchild him, so big up yourself, enough respect. Salute to you. You copy that? Yeah, man. Give me a like and give me a subscribe. You copy? Yeah, man. Big up the grandpa. Big up the grandpa, me say, copy that? Yeah, just like that. Keep it rolling. On a flop, we a flop. On a chat, we a chat. You copy that? Big up the grandpa. You copy that lead pipe? Yeah, man. One love every time. Big up yourself. Man called lead pipe. Welcome to you, my people. Welcome to you. How you doing? How are you doing? Good night to you. Good night. Good night from Jamaica. Good night. Good night to you. Good night to you, my people. Or good morning to you, my people. Consider where you're watching this video from. Or good evening to you, my people. You know, definitely from where you're watching this video from. You don't know, big up on yourself. Enough respect. Welcome to my live. How are you doing? I to you, I to you, I. Latte 4. Enough respect to you. And Luti 4. Okay. Yeah, man. Enough respect to you, enough respect to you. Big up on yourself, my people. You copy? Hello, good night, good night, good night, good night, good evening, good afternoon, or good morning. To where consider to wherever you're watching this video from. Welcome to my live. I am from Jamaica. Your guy named from Jamaica, land your love, and everyone responds and call it A. And this I wanna keep you rocking and swing A. Like up your live and subscribe, my people. Like up your live and subscribe. Send in the comments, my people. Send in the comments. Let us enjoy yourself. Good night to you, my people. Good night, good night. How are you doing? How are you doing? As I say, good night, good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. Depends on where you're watching this video from. Salute to you, my people. Welcome to my live. Welcome to my live. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the like. You can also give me a subscribe. Thank you. Yes, my people, you don't know. A whole heap of things are going in the world, you see. And we don't like what are going, you see, you see, you see. We want peace and unity. We say we want peace and love. We say we want good for everyone. We want good relationship. Love, we want good. Say people in the world, we don't want no warrior. We no murderer. We come kill we out. Lord. Oh, my son, we can sing. Show me earth, show me about some one lyrics, you know. Like up the video for that if you like it. The one named Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. And this is for me beautiful Caribbean island. Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. And this is for me beautiful Caribbean island. Everyone, me want you to understand. Say this is a beautiful island, Panjalan. And me say welcome to you, one and all, to my beautiful paradise island. Enough love, enough love. We can sing. Our voice so like we can sing. I prefer go DJ. Which one of them? And we can't DJ neither. Chajo, give me a like on the video for that, my people. Welcome to you all. Welcome to you. You are welcome to my live. Okay? Where are you watching this video from? Where are you watching this video from? As you can see, I say good night to you, or good morning, or good evening, or good afternoon. Depends from where you are watching this video from. So salute to you, my people. Enough respect. Let's do it, my people. Like up your live, share the live, give me your comments, subscribe. Let us have a nice time. Are you seeing me clearly? You see me clearly? Are you seeing me clearly, my people? Comments and let me know, please and thanks. Are you hearing me good? Testing, testing. Are you hearing me good? Welcome to you, Oshura. Nice respect to you. Respect. Good night, good evening, good afternoon, or good morning. Depends on where you are watching this live from now. Okay? So welcome to my live, my Dan. Kick brick. Respect. Enough love. Welcome to my live. Welcome to my live. You copy? Yeah, and that is the thing. Where are you people watching from? Where are you watching from, Kick Brick? Blue O Wagon. Welcome. Big up. Enough respect. Tumble Time. Too high. You're too high. Oh my God. Get low. Get low. Get low. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless to you. Big up yourself. Oshura. Enough love, enough love, enough love. Okay, Kit Brick, America. How is everything over there? Which state you're from? And how is everything going on? Everything all right? Let us know. Let us have a talk. You see me? We can't talk about things that's going on in the world, you know. You see me? Things that affect we don't know. We all have a voice. We all have a speak for talk. You see? So let us talk. Are you seeing me good? Are you hearing me good? Let us do it, my people. And remember, my people, when you join my life, please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, please give the channel a subscribe. And please like up the video. Enough respect to you. You don't know. It's all pleasure to have you in my life. You copy? That is it. Oshura. Osharuba. Osharua. Osharura. Osharu. Osharura. Oshura. That's how I pronounce the name the right way, the last part, you know? Yeah, man. Welcome to you, my people. Welcome each and every one. You don't know, it's a blessing to have you in my life. Enough respect. Please give me a like and give me a subscribe if you have not yet. Please. Enough respect to you all. Okay. South Carolina. All right. I want me to go on to South Carolina with you. Some bush fire now. I believe that you're going on there, some bush fire. Or is it now? Yes, still on the earth strength. I don't know the earth strength. Okay. Bless up to you. Okay. Welcome back night, yeah. Enough respect to you. Yeah, man. Still up on the earth strength. I don't know. A earth strength same way. The carpet, cha-cha. They say, some bushfire was there where they keep brick. I remember my people. Like up your life for me, please and thanks. Send in the comments right away. Let us have a talk. Let us keep on chatting. Okay. I was keep on asking, you know, if not sure good. If that sure good, but whoa. Still blurry. I wonder why. Come on, look a better you know still. I look a better now, okay. There goes. Alright, thank you. I was asking, you know, about the volume, if me on the view, but don't want to thank you. Enough respect. You copy that? Yeah man. You that. Yeah man. Tai, kind sir. Okay. Kai. Yeah man, enough respect. To each and every one. Big up on yourself. You understand what I am saying to you. Enough respect to my life, my people, my subscriber, and my viewers. One love every time. You copy that? Yeah man, that is it. Up there. You see it? Every time we say up there. Welcome to you, my people. Welcome. I. Greetings, my brother. Greetings, my brother. Layla. Okay. Thank you, okay, thank you. Enough respect, you see it? So you have to do it, you know. You have to do it. Vibes, you know. Do it, my people. Let us do it. Give me some like on the video, please and thanks. Like up the video for me, please. And if you haven't subscribed, just please give me a subscribe, my people. Let us do it. You can pay and welcome to you, my people. Welcome to you. Because you don't know if you my respect. I never must come for my life, you know. So each and every one. Enough respect to you and welcome to my live. Whichever you're watching from, good night, good evening, or good afternoon. Wherever you're watching from now. You copy? Enough respect every time. You see? Yeah, man. My love goes out to you all. Yeah, man. Thank you very much. Enough energy. You see? Always, always, always. That is it. Is it? Yeah. You can't too slouch and get where you want in a life. You have to have energy to empower your mind and your body and your soul towards where you want. Nick Walker, enough respect, enough respect. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You are the captain now? Okay. Take over, sir. Take over, sir. Where are you watching from? I am in Jamaica. Where are you watching from? Jamaican bean and rice, please. Jamaican bean and rice. Jamaican peas and rice. Or rice and peas. Which one you want here? Nick Walker, I take all the message them. Yeah, man, you're the captain, man. So you don't say you're the captain. Or is Canada? Or is Canada, brother? Or is Canada now? Welcome to my life. Welcome to you. Use Jano. Use Jano. Big up yourself. Enough respect, sir. Big up on yourself, my people. The state where you're watching from, where you're from, and just make we go have a conversation. You see? Yeah. Yeah, man, that is it. I don't know my earth strong today, my 60th birthday, so I don't know if I enjoy myself. You copy? So welcome to it. In the celebration. Enjoy yourself with that. Just like up a life for me, please and thanks, and give me a subscribe right away. That is it. You copy? Yeah, man, enough respect. D nice. Enough respect to you. I don't know Jamaica say. Big shout out to America. You copy that D nice? Enough respect every time. And which state you from? Which state are you from? Come on, my people. Let's do it, my people. Let's do it. Let's do it. Keep it rolling, and keep it rocking, my people. Day nice, which state are you from? Use Jano. I don't know. Enough respect every time. Remember, you know, my people, like up a live and subscribe. Special welcome to each and every one of you. It's always a pleasure to have you on my live, my people. Always a pleasure to have you on my live. So let us enjoy ourselves, okay? Yeah, and have a nice time together. You copy? Yeah, man. Let us enjoy ourselves, have a nice time together, my people. See, and get to know each other. Yeah, get to know others people and so forth. Yeah, just, keep the thing clean and keep the thing reasonable. And in the comments, each and everyone can get to understand and know each other and become more associate towards each other, no matter how far we are from and no matter how near we are from, we can get for us. Keep corresponding towards each other and just know why we are brothers and sisters. You see? Yeah. So big up on yourself, and as I say, enough respect to all of who come on my life, because I don't know, but they never must come. You see? So it's a pleasure for having them on my life. You see? So big up on yourself to that. Salute. You copy? Yeah, man. And remember, give me a subscribe and give me a like. That is it. You copy that? Cha-cha. Enough respect. And let me know where are you watching the video from. Bend over. Wow. Greeting family. Yes, greeting family. I am from Jamaica. Where are you from? Bend over. What's up? What's up? What's going on? Okay, still there? Welcome, welcome, welcome to you. Blessing to you. You see? Or is that or America now, my Dan? Or is it in America now? Landa beef do 360. Landa beef do 360. I don't understand. Where the people call step out, because I don't know a summer. Step out of them marina and step out and them shorts and them slippers and them socks. And know say boy, yeah, a summer. So America they kinda get little easy. You can't pay, yeah. Summertime get hot, everybody there at the beach and so forth and so forth and enjoy themselves. Enough respect to them, man. You can't pay, yeah, man. You don't know, big shout out from Jamaica to all of who from America. You see? All of who from Canada. You can't pay, all of who from Russia, all over the world. Big shout out from Jamaica to all of you, my people. You can't pay. And as me say, welcome, welcome one and all to my life. It's a pleasure to have you. Eh? Jaja no? Enough respect, brother. Enough respect. Enough respect. Big up yourself, man. You see? But there, man. That's a great thing, you know? Jaja no star. Big up yourself, madam. You don't know them thing there, you know? Yeah, man. All right, getting from me. Big up. Enough respect, see? Yeah, man. Big up to the eye. Just give me a subscribe and a like. Big up yourself. You see me, Dan? Um, Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much, Gabriel. Thank you. Yeah, man. Respect that, respect. In Smith too. Want me to come back, come answer your question, but you delete it. So I'm not about to answer it. Remember, my people, just feel free for supporting us. If you can support by subscribing, yeah, I'm very appreciative of that. Subscribe to the channel. And if you need to do more further, you can go by the PayPal, okay? Yeah. We all appreciate whatsoever a person want to do. We all appreciate it. Is happy? Yeah, man. It's a blessing, you see? Yeah. Yeah, man, that's it. Don't big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, bro. One Mr. Smith, too. Michael Bowen. Why you have to go, you have to go a back road to get them thing to Michael Bowen. Lambda beef, that is a must. Lambda beef, that is a must. You copy? I, Keisha, enough respect. Welcome to my life. Welcome to my life. And where you're watching from? Okay. Happy birthday to you, Keisha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Keisha. Happy birthday to you. Enough love. In the city, Kingston City. Solid Moon, it's your birthday too. Welcome. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Solid Moon. Happy birthday to you. That is it. Enough respect. You copy? Yeah, man. Like up your live for my people. Like up your live and give me a subscribe. What? Are you baby born on the same day too? Enough respect that, my. Wow, that is a really luck, that, you know. Solid Moon, I tell you, go on Solid Moon. Keisha Mesha, big up yourself, you know. Keisha Mesha. Remember, you know, my people, like up your live, family. Like up your live. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Let us be on a team. You copy? Let us be on a team, my people. That's whenever time I'm on a live, you can join and have a vibes. Solid Moon and Keisha Misha. Enough respect. You copy? That is it. Lunch, dinner, and breakfast. Landa beef. Landa beef, lunch, dinner, and breakfast are something you put in a pot and cook and steam, blow to it. Hot food. Yeah, that's a lunch, dinner, and breakfast. I copy? Respect. Like up your live and subscribe right away, Landa beef. Subscribe right away, Landa beef. All right, Mr. Smith. Enough respect to you, sir. Bless up to you. Bless up to you. Yeah, man, it's a blessing to have you on my live. You see? That's it. We are a team. Whenever time left on live, you don't know, you're going to know, and you're going to join in and come enjoy and get the vibes. Solid Moon, you gone already? Yeah, man, that is it, my people. Yeah, man, that is it. Enough respect and love every time. You copy? Cha-cha. Like up your life, we beg you, like up your life. Like up your life, we say feel like up the life. Like up your life, we beg you, like up your life. Like up your life, we beg you, like up the life. Like up your life, and then you give me subscribe. Like up your life, I beg you, like up the life. Hey, like up your life, I bet the life stay alive. Like up your life, I bet the life stay alive. Like up your life, I beg you, like up the life. Like up your life, I beg you, like up the life. Hey, like up your life, and then you give me subscribe. Give me subscribe, and then you like up the live. Give me subscribe, and then you like up the live. And make me tell you, we are going to magnify tonight. And make me tell you, we are go jolly tonight. We are go jolly tonight. We are go jolly. Hey, my people, like up your live and come again. You can't pay. Cha-cha no. One Mr. Smith. Yeah, man, that is my sister's surname, Smith. Landa beef, you know, answer me on that, maybe you settle down. Landa beef. Man called Landa beef. Landa beef. Or if you want to eat meat, you don't cook. You must love cooked meal. Cooked meal. Okay? Cooked meal. You copy? Yeah, that is a deal. You see? And nothing for you and I steal. Just a good cooked meal. Each and every day. Come in, my people. Come in, my people. Like up your life and let us do it, my people. Welcome to you, my people. Welcome to you. Hello, hello. I'm talking to you. Yes, you. Welcome to my life. Where are you watching from? Let us have a vibe. Let us have a vibe. You see, I am in Jamaica. Where are you? You copy? Let us do it, my people. Come on, my people. Let us do it. We are go rock it tonight. We are go rock it tonight. Rock it tonight. We are go rock it tonight. Rock it tonight because we must have our vibes. Rock it tonight. We are go Walla Street vibes. So Walla Street vibes and then we rock it tonight. It's my birthday. We rock it tonight. It's my birthday. We Walla vibes. Sure, sure. My people, let us do it. Landa beef, you gone? Big up on yourself, my people. You copy, as I said earlier on, enough respect to you all. Welcome to my life. It's a pleasure to have you on my life. You copy, my people. Yeah, man. Enough respect. And yeah, my people, I beg you, please give me a like for the video and give me a subscribe. Keep it alive. You copy? You know, so me I try to reach 2,000 subscribers, and by the help of one of my people, I'm going to reach it. See? So, please, just give me a subscribe, my people. Let us do it. You copy? I don't know. When you can join the live and you can say, happy birthday, Elder. I really appreciate it too. You copy? Cha-cha. And if you need anything further, you can see the paper and the link, and you can just do whatsoever. You copy? Take down the link and make a move. You copy that? Salute to you. Okay. Okay, gone. Okay, now tell me say I leave. Okay. Come on, my people. Good night. Good night to you. Good night to you. Welcome to my life. Welcome to you. Welcome to you and you and you and you. It's a pleasure having you in my life. Okay? Yeah. Give me a like up a live, and give me a subscribe right away. God bless it to you. You copy that, madam? Yeah, man. Enough respect. You see? Where are you watching this live from? Let us have a conversation. Keep the comments moving. You copy? Yeah, man. Let us do it, my people. You see? You don't know. You can type in happy birthday to you, no elder. Enough respect to that. Yeah, man. I remember, just give me a subscribe. You see, if you're feeling nice and feeling right, just give me a subscribe right away. Keep the life alive. You copy? Cha-cha. Robert. Robert. Can you say I follow and believe in the teaching of the Communist Party of China? Robert, I do not know what is the teaching of the Communist Party of China because I have never been to China. Okay? The only Communist Party I know about is Jamaica Communist Party. Okay? So, enough respect for try highlight me and make me know what I go on. But give me some more in the comments and give me a full more details, let me understand more better. You copy me and say, Robert, yeah man, and here next thing I get me done. Like up your live and subscribe. You copy and welcome to my live. Welcome to my live, my done. Keep it alive. And Robert, you don't know, Jamaica welcome China. Just like that. You copy me, Dan? Yeah, man. Jamaica welcome China every time. It's a pleasure to have you. Why, what a name you have your Robert. Why, the name there? Why, a ladies must call the name. Me call Robert. You copy? Ladies call the next part of your name. You copy me? I say, yeah. It more interest, ladies. No, can't similar Robert because you are going now. One a first world country and one a third world country. So them can't similar. You copy me I say, yeah, first world country are more higher tension communists than the third world country a lower profile communists. Remember my people, like up your life, please and thanks and subscribe. Like welcome to you and you. Welcome to you and you to my live. Where are you watching now? Where are you watching from? Let us have a conversation. So we're in China, are you, Robert? We all know that. We all know that. We know that. We know that. Yeah, man, Jamaica love bad by China. You copy? Yeah, man, world for China out here. I don't know. We all welcome them. I'm a Black Kinship. It's a pleasure to have you in my life. Welcome, sir. And you know what I say? Big shout out from Jamaica to the USA. Big up yourself, madam. You copy? Robert, you are in California. I am in Jamaica. And you copy me, I say? Big shout out from Jamaica to California. You copy that? Yeah, man. Enough respect every time. You see? Welcome again to my live. Thank you for that. Thank you for that, Robert. Yeah, man. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. You don't know? That is it. You see? And also, subscribe, Robert. Subscribe. Subscribe and like up the live. Subscribe also, Robert, and like up the live. Thank you very much, Robert. Enough respect. You don't know, every time I have a live I run, you are welcome. You copy me down? Yeah, man, that is it. You see? Yeah, man. Okay. Okay, that was good, Ame. That was good. That was good. I know you're supposed to enjoy yourself amongst the two of them. Yeah. So big up yourself, Ame. Yeah, man, that's it. And welcome to my live. You copy? It's a pleasure to have you on my live now, Ame. You copy that? Yeah, enough respect. Thank you very much, Robert. God bless you, sir. And I wish you all the best too. I wish you all the best to my Dan. Bless up. You copy? Yeah, man. All right, Ame. Enough respect. That is it. You copy? Yeah, man. Love yourself every time. You copy me, say? Remember, you know, my friends, like up a live and give me a subscribe. You copy? Yeah, man. Just like up a live and give me a subscribe. Please and thanks. We want to reach 2,000 subscribers. So only you, my people, can let me reach it. You copy? So it's a pleasure to be amongst you, my people, enjoying my birthday. You see? And I want it continually. You see? Every time I run a live, I see you, my people, as my supporters. You copy? Just pure love, enjoyment, and fun. What are vibes? You copy? Subscribe and give me a like. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Amy. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. I accept it. Whoa, look at I accept it. Thank you. Yes, my people. Ag, Ags, enough respect. Welcome to my live. You copy? Where are you watching from, my people? Let us know. Let us know. Let us know, my people. Give me some conversation we can start off from. Some things that happen around the world. Some little things that happen. No, come Korea there, yeah. Even in Jamaica have politics are going on, because Jamaica politics strong right now. You copy? Yeah. Zhang Shang. Zhang Shang. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And welcome to my live. It's a pleasure to have you on my live, okay? That is it. Salute to you, Zhang Shang. Are you rolling a cigarette? No, Ame. I'm just relaxing and cooling, you know. I'm now, I look for my laptop and read the message them. Yeah. All message me I read off of the laptop. Gabriela, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I. Gabriela, I. Enough respect. It's a pleasure to have you on my live. Welcome to you. Big up on yourself, my people, as I say. Enough respect. And thank you all for coming on my live. Because you don't know, you never must come on my live. You see me I do it, so I respect that. If you know, so boy, I no come on my live and I share on time with me. So thank you very much. It's a pleasure. Okay? Yeah, man, it's a pleasure. The only way, Gabriela, I am trying to. Okay, Ame, I understand you, I understand you. That's why I'm just say, I'm a laptop, you know, me I use, you see? Enough respect, you see? Gabriela, Gabriela, what are you talking about, Gabriela? Are you speaking to someone on the live? Hello, my people. Please like up a live for me, please. Like up a live, like up a live. Give me a subscribe. Give me a subscribe. All once man leave on the live, all of them gone. Gabriela, you answer my question as yet? Ami, are you there still? Ami, you gone too? Who is there now? Okay. Okay, Ami. Enough respect that, yeah? Enough respect. Come on, my people. Come on, my people. Don't know. Ami. Stick by me and I will stick by you. Like up a live for my people. Like up a live. Please and thanks. Like up a live and subscribe. Give me a subscribe, my people. Please. I go on the beaches, on the seaside. I go around to the countryside. It's all about enjoyment in a life, you know? Yeah. That is it. Welcome to you, my people. Welcome. It's a pleasure to have you. It's a pleasure to have you. I don't know. I will say thanks. Thanks to you all for supporting my live. Yeah. Thanks to you all for being a part of my team. Thanks to you all to always be there for me. So, enough love and respect to you, my people. You copy? Yeah, man. Remember at all time, just like up a live, my people. Like up a live and just subscribe. Okay? Yeah, man. That is it. Oh my God. And you are so blessed to live in the state. I mean, you are so blessed to live in the state. I tell you, it's so rich and famous. Thank you too. Thank you. You know, when you're ready, I mean, you can just take a trip and come to the Caribbean when you're ready. And come enjoy yourself. Not true? Come in, my people. Come in, my people. Let us do it, my people. Let us do it. Vegan. Wow. Bill, big up yourself. Good night to you, Bill. Good night, good night, good night. A Bill, a Biff. Where she is, Bill? Where she is, Bill? Subscribe and like the video. Subscribe and like the video. Bill, subscribe and like the video. Come on, Bill. Subscribe and like up the video. Like up the video, Bill. And subscribe. And welcome, welcome, welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. It's a pleasure to have you. You copy? Where are you watching from? Bill gone. Then Bill, you really want to left her but she looks so beautiful. You really gonna left her. And Bill, Chaja no Bill. Welcome to you, my people. Welcome, welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. How are you doing? It's a pleasure to have you on my live. Thank you for joining. You copy? I'm asking you please to give us a like and a subscribe. If you can. If you can. Please. Okay? Enough respect. Sanja. We say Eskimo. Jaja no. I like that, I like that, I like that. Mangosi. Mangosi. Enough respect. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Sanja, big up yourself. Enough respect to you. You copy? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Enough respect. Hello to you. Hello, hello. Mangosi. Tell me how the monkey do life. Tell me. Tell me, please, can you just explain to me and my viewers? Okay? We appreciate it. Joey, thank you very much. Enough respect. Yeah, man, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure, my brother. And I appreciate all that you said. Thank you very much. Bless up to you. God bless you. You copy that, madam? Yeah, man. Enough respect. And please, my people, remember, if you haven't subscribed as yet, please give me a subscribe. Give me a like. Like up a live. Subscribe to the channel. Keep the channel growing. I remember, my people, I want you to go and watch my video and my content. You see, I'm about cooking food and give to the people in need, the people that live on the street. Okay, so you can watch my video and you saw my things and my thing by people. So please give you a link up, my people. You copy? Yeah, man. Give you a link up. That is it. Let us all do good together. You copy? Yeah. Cha. So subscribe, my people. Like up a live. That is it. That is it. That is the business. Monkey scrub. Scrub dub. Explain and tell me what kind of monkey you scrub dub. I don't know what you mean by that. Like up a life on. Please and thanks, my people. And remember to subscribe. You copy? Yeah, man. Like up a live and remember to subscribe. And send in your comments. Send in your comments, my people. Send in your comments. I am, oh my God, is a blessed. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, man, enough respect, enough respect. Yeah, man, big up yourself, big up yourself. That is a business. Big up yourself, enough respect. Remember, subscribe to the channel and give the channel a like. You copy? Yeah, man, when you see Black Monkey Pan thing, you don't know how you like it, subscribe right away. Keep the thing going. You copy me, I say, Dan? Yeah. That is a business. Respect me, Dan. Every time. You copy? Salute to you. Just give me a subscribe right away. Joey. Okay. Joey, you don't respond back and answer you and say yes and talk to you so nice and say thank you so much. You copy, Joey? Yeah. And please, people, give me a subscribe and like up a live for me. Like up a live, give me a subscribe, please. That is the business. That is the business. I am a Jamaican. You know Jamaica? You know Jamaica, that is a business. Joey, you gone? Joey, you gone? Oh my God. Whole heap. Whole heap where you can't manage. Whole heap where you can't manage. You copy that? That is a business. Yeah, man. Whole heap of them. You can't manage them. Um, XMGORSS. I am on the Big Bang Theory. Yeah, big up yourself. You see it? Yeah. You see it? Yeah. The big round head for the Big Bang Theory. Like up a live and give me a subscribe and keep it alive. You copy? That is the business. What is $100? I don't understand now. Okay. Thank you. Through my PayPal. That is the business we're selling shoes. PayPal. What will I do for... Tell me where you do that is a business. Tell me where you do. Shaft talk. Shaft talks. What are you talking about? Shark talks. What are you talking about, my guy? Come on, guy. Come on, man. Do better than that guy. That is a business. Come on, man. I know what you're talking about, man. Explain and tell me why you do for that. Because that is the business. Come on, my people. Like up a live. Like up a live for me, please. Give me a subscribe. Keep it going, my people. You don't know. That is the business. Big up yourself and enough respect to you. Copy? Yeah, man. Because we keep it and keep it going, my brethren. You don't know no negative things about you because you don't know you look at a negative thing. You see what I do with Dan? Yeah, man. Enough respect to the eye still. Yeah, big up yourself and enough respect to the eye. You see? But no negative things about you. You see? Yeah, man. Jaja. You copy that? Yeah. Just give me a subscribe and like up your live. No, no, that is the business. Respect, my Dan, respect. But you don't know, I'm good still, man. But there I go and suffer and wall up my sufferation. You copy? Yeah, I'm good. Big up yourself, man, and respect. You copy? Yeah, man, that is it. Enough love every time. You see? Short talk. You know, answer back short talk, short talk. Shark Tank. Shark Tank. What are you saying? Come on, man. Like up a live for my people. Like up a live and give me a subscribe right away, my people. Give me a subscribe and like up a live for me, please and thanks. And hear me I say again, my people. If you're just joining my life, welcome to you. It's a pleasure to have you in my life. You copy? Thank you for joining my life. Yeah, man. Shark Talk, come up now, come up, let me hear you say Shark Talk. That is the business. Come up, let me hear you say then. Why that is the business? You come and we are there, you reason. Ah, you say, boy, yeah. Me I send, boy, I see $100 come up on your screen. And I say, where that $100 for you? Say, boy, me I send to you. And I say, okay, thank you then. All of a sudden you got negative, indulge, diluted. My God, your soul substance just get low. Like I will get a renter jet for deal with, but done. Come on, my people, like up a live for me, please and thanks. Like up a live. Welcome to you. Welcome to you. If you're just joining my live, welcome to you, my people. It's a pleasure to have you. You copy? Yeah, mama. Yeah, man, my people. Chacha, enjoy yourself. Let us have a vibe together. Where are you watching from? Just tell me know which country you are watching this live from. That is the business. Me ask you where you do for $5. I know you answer me, you know. Shark Tank. Shark Tank. I know. Me don't know why your parents circumcised. I don't know why. And you have it now as a H's going around and talking about it. You see me? I don't know. You have to ask the parents them why them do it to you. You copy? Welcome to you, my people. Welcome. Where are you? Where are you, my people? Amy, did you see me, Amy? That is the business again. That is the business. Are you there still? Sharp Turk, are you there? Amy, are you there? Okay, are you there? Welcome to you, my people. Welcome to my life. Welcome to my life. How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to you. Welcome to my live. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to you, my people. How you doing? How are you doing? Welcome to my live. It's a pleasure to have you, my people. Where are you watching from? Salute to you, my people. Welcome to you, my people. Welcome, welcome to my live. How are you doing? It's a pleasure to have you on my live, my people. Welcome. You copy? That is it, my people. Where are you watching this video from? As I can say, good night. I am from Jamaica. Good night to you. Good night to you. Good morning. Good evening. Good afternoon. Depends from where you are watching this video from. So, welcome to my live. And it's always a pleasure and a big shout out to you from Jamaica. Okay? Yeah, man. Welcome to my live. Welcome to my live, my people. What's up? What's up? What are you doing? Where are you watching from? Are you from Jamaica? If you are from Jamaica, what do you think about this election, coming election that is eating up in Jamaica? Ah, all right, my people. Don't you know? It's a pleasure to have you. Copy, yeah, man. Enough respect to you, my people, every time. I welcome, welcome, welcome. How you doing? How you doing? What's up? Where are you watching from? Boy, you say, don't Israel mash up bad. You want a bay missile, me say, you want mash up over the bad, 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 bad. Trust me. And I say Israel is so small and I put war with a country where so large. Eh? Chaja no. You don't mash up bad man over in Israel, man. Anybody can confirm if you know where I'm going. It's got to yeah. And up in Texas there. What going to Texas? What going with the people them find out their body them. Wait. This must have come from. Yeah man, people I like to know. The thing we go on to Texas, when them find all body, I want your dead toll come up to. Because your dead toll was 100 and what, 110? Alright, good night to you, my people. How you doing? How are you? Welcome to my live, welcome to my live. Where are you watching this live from? Let us know where you're watching this live from, my people. Let us keep the conversation going. You copy? Yeah, man, that is it. Welcome to my live. Welcome to the live, my people. Welcome. Like up your live for me, please, and give you a subscribe. Welcome to the live. Yeah, that is it. Comment and make you know what you have on your mind, what you talk about, what you want to talk about. Come on, my people, let us do it. That is the business. That is the business, man. Look, I'm have a fat white girl. I want somebody to get a green card for her. Oh, my fat white girl I want, and she want a green card. Eh? My God, where she come from? That is the business. And she should have a green card to get somebody to come America. To come work her fat body. You are look green card for her. And that is the business. Oh my God. Eh? For a fat lady. She can't hold in a plane. Oh my God. Sorry to say, but I just saw. I don't know. And you're your class out, you know. You got a fat white woman. You got a fat white woman, sister. Lord God. That is the business. Come on, man. You can, you know. If you take your time, take your time, take your time, big man, take your time. Welcome to you, my people. It's all pleasure to have all of you on my live. Enough respect to you. You see? Yeah, man. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Let us have a conversation, my people. I remember, please, like up your live for me, please. If you haven't liked up as yet, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please, let us subscribe and build the channel, okay? Yeah, man. Yeah, my people, don't know. It's a pleasure having you, my people. Enough respect, enough respect. You can't pay cha-cha. That is it. Yeah, man, welcome to my planet, to my channel. Welcome to my live, my people. Welcome, welcome. Like up a live, like up a live, my people. Like up a live. Like up a live. Touch up the button and like up the live. Touch up the button and like up the live. Like up the live, I beg you, like up the live. Like up the live, I beg you, like up the live. Like up the live, I beg you, like up the live. Come on, my people, let's do it. Subscribe and like the live, my people. Like the live and subscribe, my people. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from, my people? Welcome to my live. Welcome to my live. 1.5 hour now, my people. Wow. What time now? 11:38. Yeah, my people, don't know. Big up on yourself, you know. Enough respect, you see? Yeah, man. Like up a live and subscribe right away, my people. Like up a live and subscribe and let me know where you're watching from. You copy? Yeah, man.
Oh, para mí ya put in a video. This, the curtain.